Hi, I'm Katie Lewis and I'm a psychologist at Cardiff University. My research focuses on sleep and mental health, and I've been awarded a Sir Henry Wellcome postdoctoral fellowship to continue this work. In my fellowship, I'll be looking at how we can use information from digital technology, genetics and brain activity to understand if, how and why sleep affects our mental health. I'm also very passionate about public engagement, and I've worked with many groups including the NHS, Gwent Police and Public Health Wales. And this year I was awarded a Wellcome Trust Public Engagement Grant to work with young people in Grangetown, Cardiff. Here we'll be creating artwork to raise awareness of the things impacting young people's sleep, as well as working together to develop teaching resources on sleep that can be used in health and wellbeing lessons across secondary schools in Wales. My long-term goal is to use my research to improve provisions for sleep education in Wales and increase people's access to help for their sleep.